be your glass cloche. You also have it on a gorgeous pedestal. It gives you lots of opportunities to kind of create a beautiful design. We've got two different colors, this classic metallic and then the winter whimsy. Now this is brand new for our centertaining, and it wouldn't truly be a temptation show unless our very loved Tara Tescher is joining us. She brings us the beautiful collection for over 18 years here at QVC. And Tara, you really have a passion, right, for getting us back around the table, for making home this very special and memorable place. I am so excited for this entertaining hour.
Same here. You know, I love, Allie, the fact that these iconic patterns that you've been collecting for years and years can now be translated and transform not only your dining experience, but your whole home. And that's what this hour is all about. It's these unique pieces that add charm and whimsy and some nostalgia. And I love the fact that we're starting with the cloche, because what's so special about that is, of course, not only the two choices that you're going to receive, but the fact that it comes with a flameless real wax candle. And you can take it in and out, so it doesn't have to be permanent or fixed. So this actually can also function as a food safe piece. Maybe you want to put some of your meringues in there or some of your little cookies inside there. This piece can be used with or without that candle, and the candle itself has a 6-hour timer. So you set it, and then every time the next night, it goes on for that 6 hours of the time that you chose. They're so beautiful, and they come individually gift box that coordinate back.
So here you can see too that gift box. Now this is also our countdown to Christmas sale price, which means not only you're getting a special sale price only for a limited time, but also you've got extended holiday returns. 3 different pieces, right? You get the cloche, you get that flameless candle, and the pedestal, a really great opportunity for $36.98, or you've also got 5 easy payments of $7.40. This is the classic metallic, but everybody's loving the winter whimsy, because look, I mean, there you have your beautiful festive holiday scene. You know, just this past, being home a little bit more, my daughter and I have really embraced spending a little bit more time baking, which is a dangerous habit to pick up, because then there's always baked goods in the house. But we have always, and we started making French macarons. And Terry even said you could put those right inside and have that right on the kitchen island, right on the, the center of the table, the end table, the nook. But here's the story. This is brand new, and you're going bananas over it. So if you're giving us a call, here's how you can really jump to the lines a little bit faster, is you can go to QVC.com to place your order. You can also order on your free app if you have a smartphone. It's H222975. Look at that gorgeous glow. This is brand new today, and the sale price is only here for a limited time. I don't know about you, Tara. I'm craving. I'm craving Christmas. I'm craving the cooler weather. I'm ready. I'm ready to move on to 2021.
Right.
But we want those like happy memories, and Temptations and your centertaining is the perfect way to start this year.
Absolutely. And these are such key pieces that you could either anchor on a mantle. Of course, it can be the hero in the center of the table. But I love what you were showing, all of those beautiful details. The fact that, again, that candle comes off. Substantial base, 15 inches in total height. And this is our stoneware. So if you've been collecting these pieces, you have that hand-painted, hand-applied accent there. And then my favorite part is that real wax flameless candle with the timer, and that gorgeous cloche that goes right on top, that now no matter which way you're looking, 360 degrees, you have that gorgeous pop of pattern and detail.
We're loving this. Tara, your attention to detail with this piece, because really it's like a 3-piece set. Right? You could use them all differently. You could put the flameless candle in one spot. You could use the pedestal for cute little treats or little miniature cakes. You then have that gorgeous cloche. This would look stunning in your kitchen on your open shelving. But maybe it's even just that little side table by your favorite comfy chair where you watch all of those favorite holiday movies, and you just want to create that little escape and that getaway. We're spending a lot more time at home, and our home is becoming our oasis. Well, why not surround yourself with touches of nostalgia and temptations and prints and patterns and colors and whimsy that feel like a warm hug, right? That's what I think things like these feel like, Tara.
Yeah, and I love the fact that with the timer, it greets you when you're coming home.
Yep.
I love that there's always some type of light coming from the home. And these are those great pieces that, like you said, you could put on your sideboard when you're walking into your home, anchor it on your mantle, put it down the center of your table, pop it in maybe a powder room. There's just so much fun and charm with it. Fabulous.
Well, a lot of you are loving the winter whimsy. We also have the metallic. This is brand new today, and I don't think Tara's going to be bringing any more of these back, right? This is a special countdown to Christmas.
That is correct. Everything in the show, there is nothing coming in behind it. So if you love something and you want to add it to your pieces or your table, this is the time to do it.
Oh, perfect. Take advantage of our countdown to Christmas sale price that's only here for a limited time. Okay, we are gonna head into our next items in the show, but before we do, I wanna show you, give you a little sneak peek of some things you may have noticed